Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another PayPal tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice. So let's say you work online, you're a freelancer and somebody is getting a service from you and they are asking you to create an invoice and then send it over to them. So mostly that's what business partners do. So I'm going to show you how you can do this on PayPal. So this is an account I've been using for some time, but I've stopped using it. I'm going to use this account for the tutorial. So now let's get going. So you can see when you log on your PayPal, you can see create invoice here. So it's very simple. You just input everything here. But in most cases, you're not going to see it here. So I'm going to show you a traditional way of doing this. So now let's tap on business tools. And now let's come to go to the top rather. Go here. And now let's move to invoicing. And here let's start creating our invoice. So they'll take us to our invoice history, which I've not been using this account for some time. So the past 30 days I've not sent any sort of invoice. But then let me start creating an invoice. Good. So now let's enter the email of the person we'll be expecting the money from. I think this is a mail that is on PayPal. Good. To the item, let's say backlink, quantity 1, and the price. Okay, so the price, let's say the person is paying $150. And if you have anything to say, let's say, okay, so this is a, let's say Mike. Sorry, so let's say Michael from Hey Brother website, something like that. Now let's add invoice. Now let's come down here. So I think this is the basic information. So now let's proceed to send it. So now let's tap on the send here. Good, so you sent it. Oh, I had to just close it and I just opened it. So you can see it here. This has been sent to this mail, something like this. And today is 8th and I send it on 8th here. So when the person opens it or a PayPal, the person is going to see this bill like this. So if they have enough money in their account, they just have to tap on the send and then they send the money to you. Simple as that. So that's it on how you can create an invoice on PayPal. So this is very simple and easy. So that's it for the video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. So I'll be making a video on friends and families, so you should be checking my channel. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. That's it for this video. Peace.